How to fix WoW Shadowlands BLX51900001 error. Here are some tips that would help you fix WoW Shadowlands BLX51900001 error. 1. Make sure that your computer fully meets the Shadowlands minimum requirements at https://us.battle.net/support/n/article/76459. 2. Update, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, or reinstall device drivers associated with the WoW Shadowlands game and your operating system. 3. Backup, then reset your user interface and check installed add-ons in your Shadowlands. Get the latest build installed if possible. 4. Physically reset your internet by restarting your router/modem, if any. Contact your internet service provider, ISP, for possible faster internet speed. 5. Google how to troubleshoot, improve, your wireless connection. 6. Close all other unused /unwanted applications. 7. Stop it. During scheduled maintenance. Note, the scheduled maintenance could usually happen from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Time or during common off hours.